Hello there! I'm going to introduce you to something new. You have learned on present continuous tense in the previous lesson. Now, let's learn on past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to say that an action was happening at a certain time. It is also used to say that two actions were happening at the same time. Look at example 1 and 2. I was studying last night. This sentence says that the person was doing her study that night. They were playing outside when the rain fell. Here is an action that was still going on. They were still playing. When something else happened at the same time, when the rain fell. Let's look at more examples. Harry was preparing his meal just now. The pupils were singing and dancing this morning. I was working from 9 to 11 last night. It was raining heavily when they arrived. They were walking when suddenly Henry fell. Jack was telling a story when suddenly we heard a sound. How about doing an exercise? Choose the correct answer. I was reading a book when you knocked on the door. He was taking a bath when the light went out. Jerry was eating his breakfast this morning. Mr. Hamid and Nathan were painting at 10 a.m. yesterday. They were sleeping when I went to their house yesterday. Let's read these sentences. Henry was going home yesterday. He was walking slowly when suddenly he heard the sound of thunder in the sky. They were eating their breakfast when the bus arrived. The teacher walked into the room while we were talking. The rain fell when we were cycling to school. I slept while the others were studying. Let's find the past continuous tense in these sentences. Here they are. Was going. Was walking. Were eating. Were talking. Were cycling. Were studying. Now remember, past continuous tense is used to show that an action was happening at a certain time, and it is also used to say that two actions were happening at the same time. Let's do an exercise. Underline the correct answer. The girls were swimming in the pool. The two boys were watching television just now. Henry was playing badminton with his father. My mother was driving carefully along the road. Jamal was selling traditional cakes when he was young.